Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, comment, and also subscribe to this channel. I bring you entertainment gossip, entertainment news. If you're someone who likes that type of content, then this is the channel for you. Guys, how many times did I call you? You know, just yesterday I was defending her in my previous video. I was defending her with, guys, leave Ulirato Nxumalo alone, leave her and her marriage. Just let the girl be. Let the girl enjoy her marriage. She just got married, for heaven's sake. Like, let her enjoy her marriage. Now, Kesana Lirato Nxumalo is saving letters of demand from the lawyers, because now the person who started this whole thing was Umusa Kawula. Ne? Then, okay, even guys, we post things because we saw it from somewhere, Mosanditi, content creation, injalo Kesana. But the person who started this was Musa Kawula, and then people followed, and then us who are making stories about other people, we take information obvious from people who are posting about other people. When it comes to Musa Kawula, he always has the juicy stories, guys. And most of the time, it's facts. So Kesana Musa Kawula posted about this sharp, and then bloggers started posting about this, including U Seems Right, my favorite. Now, Lerato Nxumalo is sending a letter of demand to U Seems Right. Guys, if you don't know Seems Right, I don't know where have you been, but she's the girl that she thinks she is, okay? And even in her videos, guys, she doesn't talk bad about other people. Like, she doesn't talk bad about other people. She's just delivering the news to us. So Kesana Lerato Nxumalo is now serving Usim's writing letters of demand to take down the video where she was showing the husband, showing Lerato's husband. Ne? As in Lerato Nxumalo messed with the wrong person. Kesana seems right was like, what? I'm not doing that, girl. Please show me where I posted your husband. So seems right got a letter of demand, and then she responded in an email. So they sent it now email. She responded to email, but show me where I posted Lerato's husband, because the pictures that I posted are the ones that were posted by Lerato herself. So now how is it a defamation of character or Tony? And why are you now demanding that I take down my video? Seems right even included the link to the video. Bathatha nje i-link wathumela kuma-lawyers ukuthi, guys, please just watch this video. Tell me, where did I post the husband? Like, I feel like manje uLerato Nxumalo is just creating unnecessary enemies with this thing. Imagine suing the whole country. Can you sue the whole country? Okay, it's not the whole country that posted about this, but hi Bosana, you can't be suing like 50 people, for example. Until when? Mhlambe nje nami nje ngiyadlala. Hayi So now Sumsat was like, Aibo, guys, Aibo. She posted even on her Instagram stories, ukuthi girl, and then she tagged uLerato Nxumalo, ukuthi girl, please, sanundiqhela, ndiqhelelwa ntoni mna. She was like, girl, please show me where I posted the pictures of your husband, because people, we already have the pictures that were posted by you. I think in that picture, maybe girl, she cropped the husband, or she was doing what, but who seems never ever started this whole thing. So she was just defending herself. And Utsinje, you know what? I don't have time to entertain this. I really don't have time. Please, I hope this is the last time I hear about this, unless there is full proof. Okay, what? Koko Valley email. Hey, Sana. Hey, Guningi, like Guningi. Imagine now she's supposed to be on honeymoon, ton. Now she's dealing with my cases, with my lawyers, and even the lawyers. Even when they know ukuthi there's no case, they won't tell you. And sure, but they want money. They will just keep quiet. You will keep on paying for consultations, paying for this and paying for that. Even the apology that Musa gave out, guys, in Musa Kawula. Hayi sana, yazi people can see nje ukuthi ayikho nje lento ka-girl, like girl rest, you know. But I guess she just wants to make an example, maybe teach bloggers a lesson ukuthi guys stay away from people's business and stuff. Because Musa Kawula, the apology, he just wrote, I, Musa Innocent Kawula, Lerato Nxumalo sana, and then he was like XOXO gossip girl, just like that. That was the apology. To see, as it shows ukuthi nje they don't take this serious, girl. Stop wasting your money with my lawyers. They don't take this serious. But nje uSimzi nje ushilo nje wathi, I'm not budging, I'm not taking down any video. Okay, I'm not doing that. I don't play like that. Sana girl, ziyashisa zishisa bre. I wonder what's the next step now. Like, I feel like we can should have just left this whole thing. Angazibangela ihlazo, because manje, even after this whole thing blows over, lento le izokunamathela. The internet never forgets. You will always be that girl. You'll always be that girl. And I'm asking myself, Ute, that picture is not her husband. So why is she still fighting it? Why is she still fighting it if it's not her husband? Kodwa ke sana, thank you so much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next video. Bye.